Hello student and welcome to my next video. Today we will learn from mathematics textbook for class 6 Ncert syllabus whole numbers exercise 2.3. Let's start. Question number 1. Which of the following will not represent 0? Now in question 1 we have to find out which 4 of them will not represent 0, whose answer is not 0. Now see, the first one is 1 plus 0. Now we have seen that any number added to 0, the answer is itself. So here the answer is 1. Second, 0 into 0 always gives 0. C1, when 0 is divided by any other number, the answer is 0. And the D1 is 10 minus 10 divided by 2. In your textbook there is a printing mistake. This minus sign is not given, so make it minus. So it is 10 minus 10. So 10 minus 10 gives 0. So 0 divided by any number gives the answer 0. So only first option is there whose answer is not 0. Now let's see the question number 2. If the product of two whole numbers is 0, we have to take two whole numbers and their product should be 0. Can we say that one or both of them will be 0? I justify through examples. See, we have to take two numbers and we have to product means we have to multiply them and we have to see that one number is 0 or two number has to be 0. Let's check. Now, if we multiply any number with 0, the product will be 0. Any number means whole number. Okay. So, if we multiply whole number with 0, the product will be 0. Let's prove this. So, let's prove. I have taken 2 as a whole number. 2 into 0 gives me the answer 0. 7 into 0 gives me the answer 0. So even if one number is whole number and other number is 0, we get the answer 0. Now if both the numbers are 0, then the product will be also 0. Like 0 into 0, the answer is 0. So we prove that if we take one whole number or both numbers will be 0, the answer is 0. Now let's see question number 3. If the product means multiplication. I told you, whenever the product, this word comes, it means multiplication. If sum comes, then it is addition, and difference comes, then it is subtraction. So if the product of two whole number is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? Justified through example. Just now we proved for the 0. Now we have to see whether we take when two whole number, the answer is 1 or not. Now if both numbers are 1, then 1 into 1 is equal to 1. The product is 1. See, the product means the answer is 1. If both the numbers are 1, but if one number is 1, then suppose I take 5 as a whole number, so 5 into 1 gives me the answer 5. And the final product cannot be 1. So if I multiply any whole number by 1, my answer is, or my product is not 1. But if I multiply 1 by 1, then my answer is, or my product is 1. Question number 4. Find using distributive property. We have to use the distributive property and solve this multiplication. We have done this type of questions in our previous exercise. So let's revise and solve this question. So my first question is question number 4a. 728 into 101. Now using the distributive property, instead of 101, I can write 100 plus 1. It has the same answer. 100 plus 1 gives me the 101. So instead of writing 101, I will write 100 plus 1. So it is 728 into 100 plus 1. Now let's multiply 728 into 100. plus. Why plus? Because plus sign is given. If there will be minus, then you have to write the minus or subtraction sign. And 728 into 1. So it gives me 728. You have to write the 2 zeros. I told you in my previous video also, whenever you have to multiply it by 10, 100 or 1000, you just write the number and give the number of zeros the number has. Plus 728 into 1 gives the answer 728. After adding, I got 73,528. Okay, so see how fast we have solved such a big multiplication using distributive property. Let's see question number 2. Again here it is given 5437 into 1001. So 1001 I can write 1001. I have expanded that number. Now 5437 into 1000 plus 5437 into 1. So after solving, I just have to write 5437 and 3 zeros on it plus 5437, because any number multiplied by 1 gives the answer same. And after adding, I got this answer. So it is 54,42,437. Now question number C. 824 into 25. So 824 into 20 plus 5. You have to expand a small number, so it is easy to multiply. You have to expand the small number. See here, 25 is the small number. So 824 into 20 plus 824 into 5. So after solving these two brackets, I got the answer, and finally 20,600 is the final answer after adding these two numbers. Now 4,275 into 125. Now I will write 4,275 as it is. As I told you, you have to expand a small number. So 125 I can also write 100 plus 20 plus 5. Okay, I have expanded it. The 125 can be written as 100 plus 20 plus 5. Okay, so now in the previous sum there were 2 numbers in the bracket. Now there are 3 numbers. Procedure is same. So 4,275 into 100 plus 4,275 into 20 plus 4,275 into 5. So after solving these 3 brackets, I got the answer, and after adding them I got this final answer. It is 5,34,375. Now question number E. 504 into 35. Now here I have expanded 504. Why? Because it is easy to multiply by 500. So I have expanded 500 plus 4. You can expand 35 also. Doesn't make any difference. Okay. So 500 plus 4 into 35. So it is 500 into 35 plus 4 into 35 gives me the answer of these two brackets, and after adding them I got the final answer 17,640. Question number 5. Study the pattern. See here some pattern is given. Okay, and we have to write the next 2 steps. Now see the pattern. 1 into 8 plus 1 gives the answer 9. In the next step they have added 2 here. So it is 1, 2 means 12 into 8 plus 2, the next number of 1, gives me the answer 98. So 9 as it is and its previous number or its predecessor. Now here instead of 12 they have added the next number. So it becomes 123 into 8 plus 3. The next number is equal to 987. So 987. See, this is the decreasing order and here it is the increasing order. So in the next step 1, 2, 3, 4 into 8 plus 4 gives 9876. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 8 plus 5 gives 98765. This number is coming at the end of this number and at the end of the product also. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 8 plus 6 is equal to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 8 plus 7 gives equal to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. See, can you see the pattern? This number is increasing, this number is increasing, and here there are descending order, see, and here there is a ascending order. Okay. So I hope you must have understood exercise 2.3. Study the exercise 2.1 and 2.2 also. I have given the link in the description box. So open that link, study all the exercises and solve all these sums on your own in your notebook. Thank you for watching.